Protect your wealth from coronavirus web. Thank you for watching this video. Hi, I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. So, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every week we come out with brand new videos. Please stay tuned to the end of the video to get a valuable tool today and learn how you can make more money not by working any harder but working smarter. So today's topic is protect your wealth from coronavirus wave. Right now, since the whole country is on lockdown, three things are hovering on people's mind. Number one, where is the end to it? When will I be able to get out of the house? Number two, when will I be able to go back to my business or my job? And number three, how can I protect my wealth from this crisis? The answer to the first question is, as we speak, several states have decided to reopen already, which also answers our second question more or less. But the third question needs some long explanations. Before trying to find an answer to it, we need to look at it from a historical perspective, since a lot of people are afraid if the recession is coming. What you need to ask yourself, if you are taking care of your health, are you working out? Are you eating healthy? Are you taking care of your physical body? Because if you can take care of your health, it cannot take care of you. Second question you need to ask yourself is, am I working for money or is money working for me? This is the difference between passive and active income. And people who think long term will be those who will be least affected by this kind of crisis like COVID-19. Say for example, if someone is looking the concept of infinite banking, not only can they make the money work for themselves, but also they will have a guaranteed rate of return, and on the top of everything else, they can look forward to create a passive income down the road. Now let's examine it. I know that over the past 100 years we have had 14 recessions, and it just so happens that mutual life insurance companies have been profitable every single year, including those recessions. And the insurance companies have been paying dividends to their policy owners. So the first benefit that we want to discuss with you today is the guaranteed interest that is inside your life insurance contract. So here is the thing, when a recession hits, what happens is consumers hold back on spending any money, which means that the financial institutions aren't making money and neither are you. In order to make money, money needs to stay in motion. So it's important that you understand where you put your money so that you can continue to earn a guaranteed rate of return, which is what happens inside a whole life insurance policy. Right now, if we are talking about a guaranteed rate of return, the first thing we look at it is a bank CD. And how much they are paying at this moment? You might say next to nothing, maybe even less than 1%. And I don't blame you for that. You are absolutely correct. And there are only two places that you can get not only a guaranteed rate of return, but also a compounding interest year after year. And they are either a bank CD or a whole life insurance policy. And I found there are some whole life insurances that are paying a 4% guaranteed interest every year. Another thing is that you can still get a loan through your whole life insurance policy. A recession is an economic detox, which means there was a shortage of money and credit available to consumers, which is why a lot of people start to cut back on their spending and reduce their expenses. As you know, when a crisis like COVID-19 comes up and a lot of people have lost their jobs, if they go to the bank and ask for a loan, guess what? Chances are there you will get turned down. But from a whole life insurance policy, you can take out a loan anytime that you want without the fear of qualifying for it or giving anybody any reason for it. The third benefit to consider is that you can still get a dividend. Yes, that's right. You are making a 4% guaranteed compounding interest at the end of the year. But guess what? On the top of it, you can also expect a dividend check sent to you every year. Even though these dividends are not guaranteed, but there are some good mutual life insurance companies who have been paying those dividends for the last 100 years if you take a little time and look into their background history. So money is a result of your actions. So if your bank account is suffering, the decisions that you are making are affecting your finances. Obviously, we have so many people that say, oh, I'll deal with it tomorrow, or I'll look into it next week, or I'll buy that book next month. Whatever the case may be, you have to really figure out, okay, today let's do a little exercise to ask yourself right now, what decisions did you make today? So I hope this video was able to kind of get your mind off of things and start thinking about your finances a little differently. And what I want to do is to take a look at our next video where we talk about what not to do with your money when you get it, and also download our free book called Financial Security from Coronavirus that will give you a broader perspective as to what you need to know and how to execute it. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends and family, and own your own financial future, or someone else will.